Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Nurul HUSAIN and today I'm going to present about assignment 2, which is WTMS. So first let's start with the splash screen. So as you can see that we're going to start with the constant of it, super key, and then from that we also receive the super any state and the loading of the splash screens. And then based on that also, if might we get an error in the future or something, it will get a future delay based on that. And then after that, okay, see here it is a UI for the splash screen. So it is a gradient color for the background color, and then for the logo of the WTMS, and then from that, and this is part of the circular of the loading icon. And after that we will see the load user credential, which is for the shared preference that I just mentioned in the document file. So based on that, we can see that it's going to be email to get that, and also the password and the remember me that we will see in the login screen later. So based on that, we're going to be print and then just going to the login worker PHP. So just go to software to response, and then this is like where is it like something like the storing the data. Is it a success? Then we're going to data of the login worker. So it's just a navigator push replacement, and this user ID. This is like technically a default if you as a first time user, like you never registered yet or something. So this is like just a default that will be display on it later lah. And then so this is where it's going to be to the main screen later. So yeah, and then after that we're going to see the display screen to the main screen. So going to the main screen. So later so we go to the main screen, right? So on the main screen it will give you two button later, which is for the login part and also for the register part. So for the login part, so for the main screen first, you can see here that it's just a navigator pushing button to the profile page, just like how I said just now. And then same goes to the login screen. This is a profile page that if you already registered and then you didn't log out. So yeah, so and then this is the login screen. If you log out and then you just close it and then you open it again, right? So and then you have to just this for the UI of it, UI of the main screen part. I'm just gonna put the image aside, something like that, and then like welcoming the user, those kind of stuff, and then just have a action button again for the register. So yeah, that is for the main screen. So then after that, let's go to the register screen. So so for the register screen, you can see here. Wait, I need to see this first. Oh yeah, so for the input field is going to be on the line 73. So it's okay, that one is okay. So this is for the controller for the register part. So and then this is just the image of how you're gonna like for you to put the image of your profile picture, I guess. Yeah, for a profile picture, and then it is the register screen like I'm talking about. And then this is just technically just a UI of the register screen. Blah 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 blah. So start from the 73 is now. So this is for the input field. So as you can see, you have a name, and then the input field is going to be like on the controller part lah. So yeah, the name, email, password, and then you confirm password, phone, so address, this kind of stuff. And then yeah, it's going to be a register. So if you click the register, then if there is no error, it's going to be success and going to the login screen. But this is for the validation. So this is if like any or all the input field you didn't fill it, so it's going to be like, it's going to show that please fill all the fields. And then for the format validation of the email also, like if you didn't put add something, or like doesn't look like an email, so it's going to display the please enter a valid email address. And then also for this one, like if the character of the password is less than 6, then it's going to display the password must be at least 6 characters. And then also for the password checks lah, password doesn't match for the password and confirm password. And then this is just a confirmation dialog. Are you sure? Do you want to register? Those kind of stuff. So this is the where it HTTP post. So yeah, going to the register worker PHP, and then to register worker based on the input field just now. It's going to put in the database for the workers. It is a selection dialog. This is a selection dialog for the profile picture that I mentioned just now. And then this is the same thing for the select from the camera, and either if you want to select from camera or the library. So then, so yeah, that is for the registration screen. So now after that, if you go to that, then you go to the main login screen, right? So if you go to login screen, and then so it will show like a logo and then email and password of it. So yeah, so this is the controller for the email and password. Just look credential, UI, and this is the controller for the login, which is the input field for the email and password. Yeah, for the email and password. So this one lah, let's start from the 72. So control the email semua lah. And then after that it's gonna be the remember me. We gonna be for the shared preference. So successful login 181, successful login. And then yeah, this is just the check, like to remember the email and password. So just going to take the controller and get the button, and then oh yeah, so after that it's going to, like after you success again, you go to the main screen, and then it has the option like either you want to register, maybe because like if you want to register again, or you don't have an account, something like that. So yeah, the register screen, it has it. And then forgot password. Then after that, login user for the login user void. So this is part where the HTTP post, the email, like same thing. Something what I just said just now. And then where is it now? Oh yeah, so this is the part where the retrieve the full worker information, and then also on 191 you're gonna be pass and display information to the next screen. So this is the start here, and then so push replacement to the main screen. So then after that we go to the main screen, I know the main screen also have an option for you to go to profile page. So let's go to profile screen. So this is the profile screen, and then you can see there's a text editing control semua, and then the ID controller. Okay, so this is just the UI of the profile screen, and then start from the 78. So 78 is this like based on the just now you put your data to the database, right? So and then it will like display to the profile screen, and then all this thing we can edit and then like save to changes except for the ID controller. So I put enable false, so user cannot edit, but they can see what ID they have. So what is their worker ID, sorry. So that is what and then based on that, because it already put as a auto increment in the local host. So yeah, this is the UI, then the built-in for the controller part. Just logout button we'll see on the when I show for the for the output letter. So I just select image picker. This is based on the if you want to edit your profile picture. So yeah, so I just pass pause, and then just the adjusting. So yeah, and then after that, like if you like when you click the save changes, then if it's success, then it will go to the main screen again, and then it will show you lah. It will show you like update successful, I guess. I profile update successful, I can't remember, but yeah. And if not, it's gonna be like update failed or invalid response from server lah. So yeah, and if there is like a HTTP error, then it's gonna be connection fail. So that is for that part. And then let's go to, so DB is just put the WTMS underscore DB for the DB name, the server localhost root semua, and then the login worker. I think I'm gonna start with register worker. So this is for the register worker. So register worker is gonna be insert table to full name stuff. So they're gonna be the SQL part, right? If you have like, if it's success, then it's okay lah. Then if it's not, then on the localhost it will show that status update failed. This part status failed. So yeah, same goes to the login worker also. So it's just that this one is like a post. Oh yeah, and the password also we have this one. Maybe because the requirement asks for it, right? Yeah. The hash password, yes. So yeah, we put on there also. So and then this is for the update profile. So if you like update your profile, so yeah, make sure to connect to your disconnect to your DB, of course, ChatGPT. So ini, so just put the method on post. Then this is for the update on the save changes for the profile. So then let's go to the let's go to this part. I did a splash screen just now, but wait, let's start again, I guess. WTMS. gonna take some time though. Oh yeah, the splash screen is shown just now, and then it's gonna be the for the main screen. So yeah, if you need to register, you just go to register. Sorry, go to register. So this is the logout button. So the logout button. So this is gonna be the login screen, and then if you see the register account, so they remember me. So just put the register account. So yeah, take it from the gallery or camera. So for example, it's gonna take. We didn't try camera, I guess. Let's try with camera. Okay, sure. Take. Sure. So I'm just gonna put name as I don't know, Anis. Anis. So this is for the validation for the email. So then I'm just gonna put 1, 2, 3 first to show the validation. So set finish. So let's see for the email. So we show the enter valid email address, the validation of it. So gmail.com, and then let's see the password and the 6 character. So for example, like here. So please fill all the fields. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then register. Oh, okay. So register account. So it's gonna be okay. But I'm going to do the default one. So oh yeah, you can see in here later your user. So yeah, this is the Anis part, and this is the one that I did for. So yeah, so let's go with Amira. So this is where the main screen go when you click the login button just now. So and then after that you will see here, welcome to WTMS Amira HUSAIN. So for example, I already put here though. So for example, I want to put this Nurul Amira HUSAIN. Oh, never mind, it's okay. So it's gonna be the Nurul Amira HUSAIN there. And then I mean you can see in the here also. So wait now. So yeah, we display on the Nurul Amira HUSAIN in the PHP my admin. Is that all? I mean yeah, you can put anything in here also. Okay. So I just put it in one here from the collection, and then you can just put anything or change anything. So it will display like this. So from Tambun Perak to Tambun Ipoh. So yeah, then we're going to log out again. So that's all from me. Thank you.